Sup, Kia 2 Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, this will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A51 that I picked up. I'm gonna let you, this is the Crushed Prism White variant. I ordered this off of eBay a couple of days ago. So let's get started. Nothing too fancy on the box. In the inside, you get all the books that nobody ever really reads. Well, that I don't really read, because I don't need to read them. And I thought I picked the variant without the case, but I guess they still sent me a case. I'm not going to use this case. I have a case already here. You get your Sam's ejecting tool, which I got a whole bunch of these. So let's put this to the side. Put this to the side. You get your lovely device right there. It looks nice. I went with the A50 this year. Last year I picked up the A70, but I didn't feel like I needed two phones that had 70 in it, which the A71 is bigger than the A51. This has a 6.5-inch screen, but I will be okay. And then in the bottom, you get your usual stuff. You get your charging port, fast wireless charging port. You get some whack earbuds. We won't even open that. Just slide them. And you get your USB Type-C charging brick. Now let's pull off the plastic. And I'm going to boot it up for the first time. Pull off the plastic. I was waiting for this. Happy I got it. No, this is not glass. It's plastic, but it looks nice in the hand. It's very lightweight. You have plastic on the side. Make sure you pull that off. All around. Can you see that? I hate when they put plastic on devices like this. Boom. That looks like metal. It's not metal. It's plastic around there. But it has a nice feel to it. Not too heavy. Not too heavy. Not too light. You do have a screen protector, a plastic screen protector on the top. I'll probably take that off in a few seconds because I bought some tempered glass for this device. You get your 4-camera cutout. You get that nice prism cut crush little pattern going on there. You get your power button, your volume up and down button. Over here you get your Sims tray button. On the bottom you just get your microphone, your headphone jack, which that's nice. Samsung's mid-range devices still have the headphone jack on there. But if you wanted a nice y'all see that? Don't do that. If you wanted a nice Samsung flagship device that still had a headphone jack on it, you could still pick up a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That's where the last Samsung Galaxy the S device, that's the last device that still had that headphone jack on there. Get your USB Type-C port right there. I'm gonna quickly power this on for you. If it got some juice. It says Samsung Galaxy A51, powered by Android. I just love to look at that back color. Currently recording this video on my Galaxy A70. I'll probably be coming up with some comparisons, even though these are two different design phones. But basically, they do the same thing. This just has a smaller camera cut out in the front and a different design camera And this is running the latest Android 10.2.0, I believe. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.